most of the questions that you have raised to me, and I would like to answer. And also, we will take the questions. So, what all remains, and I will be really happy and glad to help my younger brothers and sisters to, take a step forward and become a successful professional. Because becoming a professional is one step, but becoming successful is something that it requires not only your academic skills but also your practical skills. There are so many things which are needed, and that's the reason I'm here. So I've prepared a small presentation for you which I will show it to you. So let's start with it. Okay. So you can see that this topic what we have selected today is the emerging opportunities for CMM. So friends, you can see some of the faces. I don't even need to write the names down there. This thing, because everybody knows it. So were they academically, very strong? The answer perhaps is no, but still they are successful, isn't it? So they are successful because of what? Because of their talent, because of their dedication, because of the something that they have extra, or they built in extra, which otherwise other people could not do. So uh, we would like to be. In fact, we can be like this, provided we have that passion, we have that dedication. We have one more thing is a patience. This is something I do find that um, our students, uh, now we are not students, but all the freshers, you lack is that patience, that it doesn't happen every time the way you want. So it's very important to be patient. I mean, this is one quality which perhaps you have to learn to become calm and patient. So we have to wait for the good opportunity. So this is the background, and the reason I have taken this word as emerging opportunities, because what has happened is that the world has changed a lot, isn't it? So the world has changed, not only because of COVID, but before COVID also. You can see that in the accounting and finance domain, there are so many reforms are happening, and with the reforms, the opportunities are also changing. So interestingly, a couple of years back, in fact last year, or a couple of years back, we were talking about GST audit, isn't it? Now this year there is, government has relaxed the GST audit. The tax audit, we always demand for tax audit, okay, but what has happened is the tax audit demand, the threshold for the tax audit has become 10 crores. So, what is important for all of you to learn and understand is that, okay, there were certain careers that perhaps we as a finance professionals would have thought, ki, okay, this is how, what I wanted to become, or this is what is my expectation. But whether the market scenario or the industry is having that need or not, so that is the first question that you should ask yourself. That, okay, what is the trend that government policies are going now? If the question is that, if the government is relaxing the audit provisions, so in that case, I should have a one thought in my mind. Should I look at the tax, I mean, should I look at the audit as a uh, area of practice? If there are reforms in the taxation, which perhaps some days, earlier excise and VAT were very nice areas for the CMAs, and there was a lot of people who were practicing that. But you will see that because of GST, that the things, the way they were doing the business has entirely changed. Now you will see that GST practice, that in GST, perhaps the only thing is that return filing, reconciliations, and maybe hardly any litigation. So the work has entirely changed, even though the taxation has remained same, isn't it? So that is where what I would like to give the you message is that living a rewarding career, building your life of tomorrow today. Okay, so what you have to think is that, what will be the rewarding career 3 years down the line, 5 years down the line, as of now. So those who are thinking of tomorrow today are the one, you have learned this concept called as capital budgeting. In the capital budgeting, you have learned NPV, isn't it? So NPV is what? This is the value of the future benefits as on today. So you should be able to project yourself that okay, if I wanted to be in a job, then what kind of a job it should be, what potential it should have, what kind of needs are required. So that if you can think of this today, then only you can become successful in tomorrow. So if you think that okay, today's world, I would say that okay, okay, this is the opportunities, and after 2 3 years I will see to it that okay, array, I have studied audit, but there is no audit. If I studied maybe an example could be, suppose I learn a law, a certain law, and suddenly that law is not there. So what I'm going to do? So these are the questions. So in fact, these things you have to always keep in mind whether you choose any form of career. So you have to be very forward thinking. You have to take care of the future than the present and what was there in past. There are certain opportunities which were existing maybe earlier, but you will find that now perhaps there is no such requirements. Did you know that the top 10 jobs of today did not exist in 2004? So what are the top jobs or top 10 jobs? So perhaps as I've said that there are so many changes happening. So few years back perhaps somebody would have thought, okay, I want to become RJ, I want to become a VJ, I want to host some, there are so many uh, travel bloggers, there are influent lot of travel influencers. So these people are, these are, you will not believe, but these are paid people. Okay, so you think that I'm watching a video of your favorite heroine or hero, and he is getting paid for it, and uh, just because you are seeing it, he is getting certain credits. So imagine a situation somebody would have had a I never thought that this kind of a stuff could be there. Somebody can become RJ, somebody can become there are so many as I told that the industry is also changing very fast. So perhaps somebody who was a, travel blogger, and just imagine last year how bad the year could have been for him, isn't it? So it is very sensitive word, and I want all of you to be aware that how sensitive it is, and you should not be dependent only on one kind of a stuff that okay, I'm going to do that and that's the end of it. So you should have an alternate, you should have a backup plans. We have learned this contingency planning in our O&M maybe back in foundation days, but it's time to revisit all this stuff and be prepared for the contingent plan as well. So today we must learn the things for which the opportunities will exist for tomorrow. Okay. Make sure to plan for a shorter milestones and not for the whole working life. There is also one more question that if I ask somebody that what you want to become, you say that okay, I want to become a CEO after 10 years, 15 years. But what about now? So what I suggest you that instead of having, you should have that dream. You want to become an entrepreneur. You want to become a MD of a company. You want to you perhaps I want everybody of you to be on the Forbes list, isn't it? Why to dream less? Let's dream bigger, and it's possible. It's not that something which is not possible. I also never thought that in my life I would be somewhere here, and I never planned this way, but definitely there was something is we had some targets, but make sure that you have a shorter timeline. So your shorter timeline could be 2 years, maybe 3 years, or even 1 year. That okay, 1 year I should where I should be. So uh, many times this question is asked that okay, the resume, if I prepare the resume, okay, how much time means when I should update it, or what is the frequency of updating it? So answer to my this thing is that you should update it on daily basis. So if something is there in a day, so what addition you have done? So if it is not reflecting on your resume, so that means that that day is a wastage, isn't it? So there has to be something small and small happening, which will make sure that you are on the right path and right track. choices. So you have seen that banking, financial accounting, taxation, accounting, costing, uh, finance, audit and control. Okay, so there are so many opportunities. So you just this degree is a degree like just like doing MBBS. Okay, so once you become MBBS, you are a doctor. Then you can further go on specialization. You can be uh, uh, a heart specialist, or you could be neurologist. You could be so there are so many ENT specialists. So like that, there are sub branches. So likewise, CMA is a degree. With this degree, you can venture into any stream of finance, not limited only to the finance, but anything. You can be a part of business. And in fact, that is what the industry expect us to work in terms of the business. Not only just be the reporter or accountant, but to be a part of business, to be a partner in business, understand how it works. And that is why our course is different. And the people who are who have understood it, believe me, these people are really working great, and they have achieved something in their life. This is something that you have to keep in your mind. What happens is that we all get confused like this. And so that's the reason we had this session, to give you the options, that what all things that you can do. So before that, I just wanted to highlight one thing, that is the what is the career plan process. Okay, so first of all, it has first pillar is the self. Okay, what is the self? Means you yourself. The second pillar is the options. Third pillar is the gap, and fourth pillar is a act. Okay, so what is this? I will tell you. Okay, self means what? So first of all, you have to understand your interest, your values, your skills, and aptitude. Okay, so for example, somebody like me, that when I qualified, I had a wonderful opportunities to work with a lot of MNC companies, and most of our clients were ready to take me on job with a very high pay scale. Okay, but it didn't had I didn't had an interest to go to the job. Okay, so it could be vice versa. There could be opportunity for you uh, to be in a self-employment, but your interest could be in a job. So it is nothing wrong in having the mindset or understanding yourself, that what exactly you want. So first of all, you should understand what is your interest. So if your interest and your job matches, I'm telling you, friends, then there is no looking back. Okay, so that is something we should never ignore. Otherwise, what happens is that uh, somebody does a job for the years, and at the fag end of life, you must have heard the story of KFC, isn't it? KFC, the owner of the KFC, he started this KFC when he was 60 years old, because he has tried everything. In fact, he attempted suicide attempts for 3 times, but fortunately or unfortunately, that was not successful. And uh, when uh, when everything was not there, at that time we started to find that, okay, what is best in me, and he finds that I can prepare a chicken recipe very well, which is accepted and liked by the people. And that is where, at the flag end of his 60-65 years, he discovered this chicken. And then we know all the story. So it is very important to know your interest. Okay, everybody has his own interest. There is nothing right and nothing wrong in it. Okay, but only thing is that you should know yourself. And values. So it is also important. Yeah, anybody want to ask something? Yes. Sankar, if you can just mute somebody.
Yes, sir. I am searching, sir.
Okay. So
Varnit, please mute Harshad, sir.
yeah, sorry, I have unmuted myself. Huh? So the second is the values. So what kind of a value stream? For example, this again questions come for example, if you want to be in a government job. Okay, so in that case, there are limitations how much you can earn, because there are certain set of rules. So somebody would like to grow further. There could be a conflict of interest. So in that case, your values can become very important aspect, which perhaps we have to take a call. Then skills and your aptitude. So what you can do better, you know yourself than anybody else. Okay, so this is how you should introspect yourself. It is not that every time in the career process this you have to do certain compromises. So uh, just like any marriage, you have to do certain compromise. You cannot expect perfect partner to be there with you. There are certain, we are also not perfect, so we cannot expect our partner also to be perfect. Similarly, if we don't have, there is nothing called as a perfect job in this world. Okay, because why no? Because we are also not perfect. So don't expect, so this certain adjustment and compromises, it's the part of the life. So you understand it early, and you will get benefited. Okay, don't I've seen so many students that सर ये कंपनी में सैलरी कम है, इसमें ये है, इसमें uh, these are, it's not something that you should look upon. Okay, so this is the first part. Second is the options. Okay, so options, what are the options that you want to go for job or self-employment, or some would like to pursue a career in academics or freelancing, consulting, anything. Then location, language. So that also plays a very important role. Locations is nowadays, very, very important thing to look at. But I will suggest that as a fresher, you should be flexible enough to travel. You should be flexible enough to go to places, perhaps wherein you will find that the opportunities are there. Don't restrict that, saying that I will work only in my town, I will not go anywhere. So if you do that, you are compromising your own flexibility. You are compromising your own. Uh, I will put the milestone or a own step towards your career. Language also sometimes it creates, it's very simple to say that how it will not make a much of difference, but those especially who have traveled, in some other countries, and you will see that then you're just clueless if you are not knowing the language. So that also plays an important thing. The surroundings, the people who are around you, that also plays a very important role. So you have to have a look at it from the options perspective. One more thing about the location is that all of you perhaps you can see that I have posting a lot of opportunities on LinkedIn, which many of you would be following, and those who are not following, then follow me on LinkedIn. You will get a lot of opportunities. So in that there are a lot of opportunities also in international market. Okay, what happens is that students say that, sir, I want to go to, I want to pursue my career internationally, but everything happens, and when really the candidate gets selected, the CTC is fixed, everything, and the moment they have to now catch a flight to for maybe 3 months or 6 months to a foreign nation. In that case, suddenly they start realizing कि ये अरे यार कैसे होगा मेरा, and once you go there, there is no looking back. It's very, very difficult you to come back, and those who have gone and not successfully had a career, it's very difficult for them to come back, and also that creates, that deteriorates your confidence. So be sure that okay, you commit something which is possible for you. If you are uh, uh, not able to do that, better to quit it, saying that let us not pursue it, let's don't waste the time, because what happens is that that also loses, because of your act you have lost not only the opportunity for you, but also for somebody, your friend perhaps could have got that opportunity. So he is also not benefited, you are also not benefited. And there is a tag also with the institute or with the CMA, saying that care this VA people इनका कुछ guarantee नहीं है. Okay, this happened with Coal India. I'm telling you, friends, Coal India was regular participants in our campus placement, but maybe 3 4 years back. So they had, they are selected 20 people at the CTC of something 18 lakhs per month. Okay, so very significant CTC, very high CTC. And thereafter, what happened was that when we approached them second time, they said that no, we will not come for the campus. We asked that why not, sir? We have taken 20 people. Then they said that क्या रे वो 20 बच्चों में से 18 बच्चे छोड़ भी गए within the period of 6 months. Why? Because Coal India, they have the subsidiary, I mean subsidiary companies and remote locations. पहले तो सब बच्चों ने बोला कि नहीं नहीं सर हम जाएंगे किधर भी हो, हम जाएंगे, छत्तीसगढ़ में जाएंगे, उड़ीसा में जाएंगे, सब जगह जाएंगे, बिकॉज सीटीसी वाज वेरी हाई. बट वहां जब गए तो वहां पे फिर दे वर नॉट टॉलरेंट इनफ टू understand the situation and do the work. So because of that, everybody left out. The problem is that they have taken their own decision, which perhaps could be right also in their own uh, interest, but because of that it has lost the opportunity for all of us, isn't it? That next batches, they are now stop the campus. So my suggestion to you is that be sure that if any job you want to take up, any interview you want to do it, make sure that once you are into the process you should not quit. Okay, so this is the message definitely I would like to tell you. Yeah. Then the third pillar is a gap. So what you want to become? Okay, it's nowadays very simple. Suppose I want to become a finance manager. Okay, so what I will do is that I will today go on the Naukri.com site and see that okay, I will select a company wherein I would like to work and what is the opportunity. Okay, there would be requirement of finance manager. So it will say that okay, what the requirement is that you should be a CA or CMA or uh, a, a graduate with 10 years of experience with understanding of SAP. You should have handle the team of 5 people. You should know tax. You should know the Companies Act, etc., etc. So list down all the requirement. Okay, and see what requirements you are fulfilling. Suppose a simple requirement of being a CMA. Now you are a CMA, so that is being fulfilled, right? So you can tick that. Okay, this one is done. Okay, now what is missing? 5 years of experience. So here is there you cannot do anything. You cannot just increase the experience by just putting some figures. So it has to be worked out. It has to be worked out and it has to be delivered over the course of time. So what you have to do is that you have to make sure that you are getting the experience, in fact, a relevant experience, what could be there for the finance manager position. Okay, so you start doing that, take the small step that, okay, let us start working in a company or in a firm or wherever. I mean, not limited to only these things, but everything, and just see that you are in the position to bridge the gap. Some of the times that what happens is that at a higher levels there are requirement of two or more qualifications. They require a foreign language to you to know. So if these are the requirements, so my request to all of you is that understand that where we are lacking. So that is the first step to just like we say that okay, the step for cost reduction is the first of all cost ascertainment. So first you should know that what it is, then you find out the gap, and then you take the corrective steps to uh, bridge it. Okay, so that is something that you should do. Now the time is there in your hands that during the course of this training before placements, understand this gap and try to bridge this gap as early as possible. And fourth one, and the most critical, is the action. Okay, so the gap you have to bridge it. For that it requires certain course of action. For example, qualification, some additional trainings, uh, acquiring certain skills. So one important skill I always find that okay, you are a finance guy, and if you don't know the Excel, okay, then you are not worth anything. I'm telling you. So this is something which perhaps would not be there on the job profile. But if you don't know the Excel, if you don't know the other softwares which are required, then it's very difficult to survive in the industry. In that case, you will find that some a BCom guy who is not having any qualifications, he can he can be he can achieve a fast growth than you because of the lack of the skill sets what the industry is required. Okay, so this is a process which is very important for all of you to understand, and based on that you take your decision. Okay, what are the options available? So traditional careers like we all used to do that CA, CMA, CA, CCCA, CMA. So these are the direct indirect taxes law, then business accounting, audit. Though these are the traditional career opportunities which I am sure that you all are aware. I will not take much into it. The new economy and the new sectors like IT, telecom, healthcare, hotel management, maybe banking, insurance, the other service sectors like entertainment, There is a good scope for CMAs. There is a cryptocurrency, OTT platforms. So everywhere there will be a requirements. Okay, just not limit your requirement to the requirements what is there in the finance domain of these sectors. Okay, for example, IT. If you say that IT, many of people are into the functional consultancy. That functional consultancy is something which is not IT will have a finance team separate and functional consultancy team separate. So this kind of careers you look at, there would be a set of people who are maybe not a commerce graduate, but they have ventured into CMA course. Okay, so for these people, my advice would be that let us link your original qualification. There could be, say, suppose a metallurgy engineer and doing this CMA course. So for them, the area to work upon is not only limited to the finance domain, but it can be, you can opt for potentially. If you look at a company, for example, a company like Bajaj. Okay, Bajaj always recruits CMAs who are with the engineering background. Okay. They don't if even if there is some smart CMA, but they will not take. They want in the CMAs who are having the engineering background. So these are the things that you have to keep into your mind. So they, especially if somebody is an automobile engineer and he has done the CMA. So friends, I'm telling you that the doors are always open for him to go anytime in the Bajaj and he will be recruited, whether even if there is no requirement. Okay. So that you have to understand. Then the multi-skill oriented tasks like ERP. Uh, so ERP requires not only understanding of finance but operations, PP, that is production planning, module is there, materials management, SD, and everything. So it requires a multi-skill. So over the course of time, you will able to comprehend all these things. Investment banking, again, that is also one wonderful area to look at, that portfolio management, and these are the lucrative fields, friends, I'm telling you. And people who are doing well, believe me, half of the people are not even qualified anything, not even CA, CMA, CS, but they are doing wonders. Okay, mutual funds. Look at the uh, fund managers of the mutual funds. You will hardly find only limited professionals are there, but these are the very high skilled people, and you should aim at having this kind of a skill sets. Project management, then IP insolvency professional and a registered valuer. So this requires a multi-skill, and this could be for a fresher. I will say that these are the jobs which are high-paying jobs, and this perhaps you should look at after having certain functional background. Okay, then emerging careers. So, what are the emerging areas? So, IFRS or Ind AS, this has been a very emerging area. Lots of requirements are there. Forensic accounting. In fact, now forensic audit is the only audit which will remain in to be there, which will not be replaceable. Okay. Otherwise, all the audits, perhaps there is a big thought going not only in India but also internationally. You look at the companies who are from US and UK, and you will find that, in fact, many companies from the developed nations, like even if you take example of Singapore or any European country, you will find that they don't have any audit. Okay, there is a big thought going in the minds of all this globally, is that what is the requirement of audit? Okay, so in that case, normal audit perhaps has got limitations, which you are seeing that, okay, gradually government is also trying to relax this audit provisions and uh, inculcate the self regulations. So this is what the intent of government is looking like. So in that case, what remains is the forensic audit. So forensic audit is something which is not replaceable. So there will be a requirement. So in fact, uh, I think just day before yesterday we had a very good session on this pre-packaged insolvency. Okay, so some of you perhaps could have seen the video also. So in that case, that IP was telling that the pre-packaged insolvency, basically before starting that process, the CD, that is a corporate debtor or a company, they has to do internally their own forensic audit, so that there will not be anything popping up subsequently. So that means that if you have to do it, then in all the cases it will go for pre-pack insolvency. You have will be having a requirement of this forensic auditing. So that is something very emerging area. Insolvency professionals, yes. So insolvency professional, this is a you will not believe. Many people ask me this question, sir. How come you have you have become insolvency professional? And being insolvency professional, we are managing the accounts of people or the companies who are who are stressed and not able to commit their financial commitments. And they always ask me a question. Then in that case, how you will get the fees? Okay, so in that case, first thing is that first priority of the fees is the IPs. So you'll see that all the big uh, accounting firms, big fours, they are having the IP wings, and which is doing very very well. So it's a wonderful field. In fact, in UK, it is one of the top three highly paid professional field. Okay, so it is just no, do not go by the name that it has got a really protection as a CMA. In fact, I'm loving this profession. The reason is that the one of the jobs what I do as a IP is that I turn around the company. Okay, fortunately, 50% of my cases what I have done, I could be able to turn around this company. 50% success ratio is there, which is a very high ratio. That's the reason that we are getting more and more work, and that keeps me engaged. So that's the reason sometimes also I do not even though I want to reply all of you, I don't find the time. And so kindly excuse me for if I could not respond to any of your genuine concerns. So because I also have to have a look at my own career, isn't it? As a registered valuer, so that is also one more big opportunity that is coming up in India. I was just taking a session yesterday for the newly valuers. So as of now, there are only 4,000 valuers. Okay, in India. So insolvency professional also there are hardly 2,000 insolvency professionals in India across India. But insolvency professional requires the experience of 10 years. Okay, to become eligible. But for registered valuer, you have to have experience of only 3 years. So many of you who have qualified but having some experience, for them, you can pursue this additional courses and become a successful valuer. One more course was there for independent director, for which there is no requirement of any qualification. But those who are experienced and having certain experience and certain contacts, I will suggest them only to go into venture into indirect independent director course. Otherwise, it's just a academic degree, and you will have a degree, but you will have no work. So that is something that you have to be careful. Then real estate, film industry, hospitality, sports management. You all of you must be watching. I don't watch that IPL, but you will be watching all of you that. So this is what this is sports management, and you will see that a lot of people are doing wonders on it. And I what happened is that how I am into that, because one of my client is he always every month he asks me to give me a valuation report. I say that every month, why you require valuation? Because he said that we are promoting basketball in India, and there are no revenues. So every time the foreign investment comes in, wherever foreign investment comes to them for the purpose of FEMA, they will come to me saying that get the valuation report done. Okay, so this is how I'm just bit aware. I'm not saying frankly I'm not following of cricket, so uh, I don't know much about it, but I know the business side of it, and that is something you also should be looking at. Actuary and science, this is also one more excellent profession. So to become actuary at young age, you can try out. Then technology applications, education. One more important career is education, management, accounting, capital markets, risk management, international business, and what all you can just list is actually endless. It can go forever. Okay, and it will keep on updating also, because what could be the career today that may not be there for tomorrow, isn't it? So you have to be careful. So where the opportunities will be available. So MNCs, if you're looking for a job, both Indian MNCs as well as foreign MNCs, bank, insurance companies, hedge funds, large domestic companies, large accounting firms, and consulting and law firms. So you'll find that a lot of CMAs are working with big fours or law firms. And one more aspect is that as a CMA, one thing we always undermine is the law. Okay, there are laws are there, there are corporate laws, there are so many laws are there. IBC was there, but we never took it that seriously, that as a career. But friends, it's a wonderful opportunity. I'm telling you that one of the best opportunities that we are having is the appearances. So you can appear into NCLT. So I will suggest, in fact, when there was orientation trainings in the physical format in WRC, I used to tell all the students that once you are in WRC and in the Fort Office, so everybody used to go to Marine Drive, Gateway of India, etc., etc., click some photos. I said that that's fine, that you should do it at your young age. Of course, there is nothing wrong in it, but also spend some time going into the uh, other offices, especially government offices. You should know where the NCLT is. You should know where the Bombay Stock Exchange is. You should know that where the GST commissionerate is. You should know that where is the income tax. And friends, if I ask you these questions, none of you will have the answer. Okay. There was, one questions which always I used to ask was that, uh, where is the Bombay Stock Exchange located? Everybody will raise the hand, say, sir, it's in Mumbai. Somebody will also take a photo. Okay. The next question is that, where is the NSE? Where is the NSE? Okay, where NSE is located? Believe me, 90% of people will say that it is in Delhi. I said that you are absolutely wrong. It is also in Mumbai. Just name is the National Stock Exchange doesn't mean that it is in Delhi. Okay, so these are the things you should know in detail. And in fact, I will suggest all of you that you are all techno savvy people. In fact, I'm learning things from all of you. And wherever I require help, I don't hesitate to talk to any student, because this is something I also have to learn from you. So the point is that this you have the mobile phones, you use it. So just like you have the other apps which you are using, install money control app, install the uh, ET app, economic times app. It will pop up some messages for you. Okay, you may not understand it initially, but over the course of time you will start understanding that what is the requirement or what is happening around you. So my request all of you with that, please have this app in your phone, that some economic times app or money control app or any app. I will not recommend any. I'm not promoting any app here, but some app should be there which will keep you updated about the business and the economy and also stock markets. Okay. Then valuation firms, yes, there are so many firms which will have requirement of CMS, KPO, LPO. This is also not a bad area to work upon, friends. That many times we are under impression that KPO का job क्या है इसमें, there is nothing. But at a senior level, there are good requirements. I know some of the CMAs who are occupying big positions in the KPO, LPOs, and they are doing very well in their career. Educational institutes, foreign universities, yes, there are requirements. There are lots of requirements for the research associates to join in the foreign universities also. You can also think of, starting your own coaching classes. You can start to become a faculty in some of the colleges or universities. You can also think of starting your own. This is also a good area, especially those who are having the knack of teaching. So for them, it will be a very, very big avenue. So that is also the opportunity one should not. And I will suggest all of you that this is what I do believe, that what happens is that CMA students, you are seeing that a lot of other professionals do take the classes for CMAs, and we are saying that they are good, so we go there. But have you seen the other students coming to us? Even though there is some expert faculty, so at that time, that we don't question that, okay, who is the best. So this thought process has to be also inculcated not into your mind, but also in the minds of the students, that, okay, if you are a CMA, try to be with the CMA faculty so that you can understand. And perhaps today, if you start your own something like that, or you want to start something like that, So you should be in a position to get the benefits out of our own people. This is a small fraternity. We are not a very big headcounts. We are having some 50 or 1,000 members, and maybe active 3-4 lakh students. So we should help each other in this process. So this is what definitely a message I would like to give it to you. Then your own practice, yes, that is also a very lucrative area. So as I said that I had decided to be in practice. Initially 5 years, all my friends they were far ahead than me, as to get paid maybe 10,000 rupees a month, whereas they were earning in lakhs. But as the things move on now, the situation is exactly different, and they want to join me now. I said that no, now that time is not there, because I have uh, the skill sets or the requirements what it requires for the practice and for the job are different. So it's very difficult for somebody who is doing the job for the years to switch into the practice and be successful. So this is something that you have to when I talked about the self aspect in that pillar, so that also includes this aspect that many students ask me, sir, how good the practice is. So in the longer run, practice is always beneficial, provided you are able to sustain the initial 3-5 years, and then automatically the things will be in place, and the time will come that where you start to find that your speed is faster than the career speed of any of your colleagues out there, and you will cross them at some point of time. So that is also a lucrative area. But as I said that you have to be careful about it, because once you enter into that, you should be able to survive for 3-5 years. Okay, don't say that after 1 year or 2 year, नहीं वो मेरा friend है, वो अभी foreign जा रहा है, or he's doing, his manager है, उसको इतने perquisites and all. So that is something that is not comparable. So you should not look at it. तो क्या बोलते हैं कि अल्लादीन की गुफा में जाके आपको यू डोंट हैव टू टेक एनीथिंग एल्स बट द लैम्प, है ना? तो वो दिया आप जब निकालोगे तो यू विल सी दैट देयर इज द दैट इज द पावर दैट शुड हैव। तो उसके लिए एक डिटर्मिनेशन लगता है, उसके लिए एक थॉट प्रोसेस लगती है। और मैं आई विल से दैट कि नॉट एवरीबॉडी is capable of doing his own practice. That is also a fact of life, that some of uh, us are having a job mentality, जिसको some want they want to go home at 6 p.m. and have Saturday Sunday off. So that is their thought process, that is their wish. Practice में ऐसा नहीं होता है. Practice is कहते हैं, एक there is कहावत है, I will tell in Marathi, I don't know how it is in Hindi, की नोकरी म्हणजे 8 तासाचा धंदा आहे, आणि धंदा म्हणजे 24 तासाची नोकरी आहे. मतलब जे बिझनेस बोले तो मीन्स जॉब इज द business for 8 hours or 10 hours, but the business is the employment for 24 hours. So it is like that. Okay. Then one more good area to look at is the government sector. A lot of there is a cadre called as the Indian Cost Accounting Services, which is the specialized cadre which helps the government to do the costing. And it's in Delhi, but they work all across the country, and these people are I have worked with them for some assignments, and these people are really doing a great job for the nation. I have worked for them for the purpose of costing of coins. Then also I worked with them. I mean, not really worked with them, but they were on the other side. And I could recollect that guy was telling me that he was working on this crude petroleum pricing and oil bonds and all these things. So that is also a wonderful job. I will also recommend you, those who are having a very good academic background, to pursue the civil services. Okay, the UPSC, MPSC, these are the very extremely high level jobs which perhaps you can think of. Okay, I think somebody is इसमें ये क्यों आ रहे हैं ऐसे? Okay, so government sectors, that is also one more exercise. So civil services, I was about to tell you that ki really somebody is interested, uh, then you should look for taking up a civil service. It's a lucrative career, friends. I'm telling you. Once you get the opportunity to become, UPSC cadre, then there is a different aura and different kind of a work you can do, not only for yourself but also for the country as a whole. So when I look at again that pillar wherein the values come, so here that question will come. Not only that UPSC, MPSC, but there are certain government jobs. Just few days back, we done the recruitment for this MCA as a young professional, uh, uh, young professionals scheme. So we have also done our people recruitment in this department of this official liquidator. So there are certain government jobs, PSU companies, lot of PSU companies. There are good opportunities. So it's all open for you, friends. Some useful add-ons. So this was one of the questions many of you have asked, sir, what I can pursue next. So a natural extension of CMA would be doing a CS, okay, because there are exemptions. The cost is not so high. You can the examination is also not so difficult. Syllabus are similar. So this perhaps you can think of doing parallelly. IMA USA, yes, you can do that. If you intend to, go to countries or you work with the countries like USA, you should have that in place. But there is a cost involved in it, so you have to do your own cost benefit analysis. That what is the cost I am incurring vis-a-vis what the benefits I am going to report. Then SEMA UK, yes, this SEMA was the uh, I will say a mother body of all management accountant institute across the globe. In fact, uh, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India is also born because of SEMA. The name of the institute was earlier, just like the name of the institute was UK, the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of UK. So it was the original name. So similarly, on the similar lines, our institute was born in 1944. And SCCA, yeah, about the MOU of SEMA, I would like to inform you that yes, there was a very good MOU by which just one examination and you could become a SEMA. That was, we used to call it as top. But unfortunately, that MOU as of now is expired. It is in the process of renewal since long time. I don't know when it will get renewed. It is about the Central Council and the indirect this international committee to take this matter up. Similarly, there is a MOU with SCCA UK that also is a very good option for you. Then you can pursue a CISA, that is Certified Information System Auditor. If you want to make a career into the IT and IT domain, IT auditing domain. Many times this is also required for if you want to do a bank audits. So that is also one good add-on. Diploma in IFRS. So that also you can think of. CMA Australia also there is a MRI by which you can pursue a career in Australia. So the countries especially where you find that Australia, Canada, there are good migration opportunities. But as I said that it's a conscious call that you have to take in your career. Then CISI UK, so if somebody is interested in investment banking, for them it's a good option. You can also do research, this PhD that now CMAs are equivalent to the postgraduate, so you can appear and try to pursue this research PhD degree. CFP, that is Certified Financial Planner, is something that you can look at. There is also one MOU with organization called as a SIFPA that is there in the public finance domain. So those who want to work in a PSU or public finance, for them it will be a good add-on. Then there are certain certificate courses by NISM like foreign exchange, treasury management, enterprise risk management. In fact, this mutual funds distribution, so these are also very good career options are there. Then you can also look at some certifications like SAP or Oracle. So that can be a good add-on for you. There are certain advanced study courses. So there is a department of advanced studies who starts different courses. You can look at it. IT, of course, I have told you it's a lucrative career. Of course, it requires mandatory 10 years of experience. And also, you can think of becoming a registered valuer. So these are the add-ons which I would like to suggest to you. The list is just indicative, and there are so many other things perhaps we can add when we are thinking about some add-ons. But when we are doing add-on, just make sure that you are on the right track. You are in the process of what you want to become. You don't get diverted just because there is some MOU, you end up paying something amount, and you do. As I told you, this independent director, I have not included in that list because it's a simple examination. You just pay some amount and you will pass this examination. But ultimately, what is the utility out of it? So I don't find any utility for people like you as of now to pursue this independent director course. It will be just addition to your profile. In fact, that addition also will be there, but it will not be useful addition that somebody fresher applying for job saying that, okay, I am qualified independent director. So they will say that, then what are you doing here, isn't it? So you have to be very, very careful about this. So other things, commercial banking. So banking and finance also domain has opened up for CMS because of the efforts what the different council members and the regional council members are doing. So in Maharashtra, you are aware that the cooperative audit, the financial cooperative audit, I mean to say that it can be done as CMA. So any cooperative bank, Pata Sanstha, or financial institutions, micro banking, who is a cooperative, the audit can be done by the CMA in Maharashtra. And also there are other states like Bengal, Karnataka, where also you are able to do it. So in that case, it gives a lot of opportunity for us not only to be in a domain of costing, but also venture into the audit, that is also financial audit. Then the financial planning, certified planner, I told you. Then credit loans and treasury project management. So this is also very lucrative way to work upon. Hedge funds, investment analytics, investment banking, money management, private equity. So these are also very good opportunities and options for CMS to pursue. What qualities employers look for? So this is very important that all of you should understand that the mindset of the employer. Okay. Employer here means not only the employer in terms of job, but in terms of practice, in terms of academics, everywhere. Okay. So first of all, communication and interpersonal skills. So if I get a resume from CMA, friends, I'm telling you, sometimes it's really uh, painful to even read that resume. It's so poorly drafted, no interpersonal skills. You need to understand one thing. Uh, I do recollect maybe last month somebody who wanted to pursue articleship or something. On the Sunday evening, somewhere around 7 or 8 p.m., he called me saying that I wanted to do articleships. The immediately reaction, on even if that could have been a good candidate, I don't know, but there is a way in which you have to communicate. There is a time you have to think, not from your perspective, but from the perspective of somebody who is going to listen to you. Okay. So the time, the date, the when you are talking, what you are talking, to whom you are talking. So this all things are important, and in fact that's the reason that I always suggest that you should do a practical training sincerely. Okay, you should have good firm wherein you should work, even if they are paying you the stipend of 2,000 rupees per month, but it's really worth, friends, I'm telling you, because it gives you a lot of options to understand these things. When you go to a canteen, there is also the way in which you have to eat your lunch. You have to have the etiquettes in place. uh, I had a good candidate who was sent for an interview, and then the company said that, okay, we have not selected that person. So I was surprised that why he was such a good guy. Interview was good. I asked him that, anything you told wrong? He said that no, sir, it's absolutely fine. Then when I inquired that, the HR manager told me that he had come with wearing chappals. Okay, so small things, but huge impact it can make. Flexibility, yes, you should be flexible enough. Many people nowadays, they insist on work from home. So in some cases it is possible, some cases not possible. Travel within the city, outside country. So you should be, if you are flexible, then you are more adaptable, more liked by the people. Leadership skills, at of course certain levels, once you reach, you should have this leadership skill. Maturity, I mean, this is something it will come out of the time and also with the interaction with people. Many people who are freshly qualified, they are too much excited and I should not say, but you have to be a bit matured in your approach. Energy levels, the everybody loves the candidates who are having the high energy levels, multiple skills, and also contemporary knowledge. Okay, so you should know that key what is happening around you, not only just in your domain, but as I said that, for example, I don't follow IPL, but I know that what is happening there. I mean, uh, what is going to happen there or something like that. So somebody asked me question, sir, why I should know that? I asked him a question, tell me the what is the week or this week. Yeah, I mean, not exactly, but roundabout range. He said that, sir, what is the need? I asked him that, okay, what is the, I asked a question to a girl uh, uh, that what is the gold price? Okay. So she said, I don't know. I said that, you don't know means you should know it. Na. If I also know today, it takes hardly not even a second to look at the numbers. So if once you organize your dashboard and these are the numbers I wanted to pursue, then it becomes very easy for you to have this content. And this is something which cannot be practiced at yeah, like we are having this session. Okay, it cannot be learned in the session. It has to be by your own efforts. The fields for practicing Costa I will not. I will just skip this session, this slide because many of these things you are knowing. I don't want to take your time on that. What is required to be successful? A good academic degree will have a shelf life. So you have to keep updating yourself, what is happening around you and the economic scenario, the legal scenario, the continuous knowledge and updating across the disciplines, soft skills and use of technology, your speed, very important. Work-life balance, yes, but not at this juncture, but at some point of time, you need to have that balance in your life. Numerical and analytical abilities, the communications, the business perspective and global outlook, reporting and presentation skills, both verbal as well as written, the company reports, etc. So if you are going for interview, you should tell the management that okay, where you are. I mean, I could recollect there was a movie called as Raju Banega Gentleman. अभी I don't know अभी आप बच्चन देखा है नहीं. तब वो शाहरुख खान जो पिक्चर को जाता है तो वो पूरा एनालिसिस करके जाता है. He tells the management की where you are wrong. And उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि they somebody else loses the job and he gets the job. तो अगर आप ऐसा कर पाते हो, it's a very wonderful strategy. So you should be कभी भी आप जा रहे हो इंटरव्यू को, so everything is available easily nowadays. हमारे टाइम पे थोड़ा डिफरेंट था, बट अभी दो थिंग्स आर वेरी वेरी सिंपल. तो पूरा आप मेहनत करके जाओ एंड आई एम श्योर दैट यू will be emerging as a winner. You will have that edge over and above the other people who are around you. So this is what I just wanted to convey. A lot of I think many of the aspects I have covered, but I'm open to the questions. If you would like to ask, you can just put in the chat box, and somebody can just convey it to me. So these are my contact details. I mean, all of you are knowing. So email also I've shared. Website we are having my website. You can follow for my articles on this caclub.com and tagzuru.com. I had a more than 1 lakh hits for some of the articles. I'm also available on Facebook, Twitter, and also LinkedIn. On the LinkedIn, I post a lot of job vacancies which I come across. So I will suggest to follow if you want to be updated about these vacancies. Instagram was something which I was not there, but because क्या है कि अभी मेरा photo means देख के कौन मुझे like करेगा, that was the question. But even my wife उसको बोलना पड़ता है यार मेरे pics को like करो यार, वो like भी नहीं करती ऐसे. So I was not there actively, but then somebody told me sir अभी ये सब यही use कर रहे हैं. So that's the reason I'm on this Instagram. So you can follow me. I mean, I have not posting my own photos much now, but something useful information. So this is what I just wanted to convey to all of you. Now, Shankar, you can take the questions if anything is there.
Yes, yes.
I think 12 p.m. So 1 hour. This was the time which I
So
wanted to
if
end.
any If any participant has question, he can unmute himself and ask the question.
Sir,
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Tell me. Yeah, somebody asked me this question, MOU about ACC and SEMA. I told you that this are expired, and I think there was an update on the website that ACCA MOU has been renewed, but it is pending for cabinet approval. It is with the government to approve because it's a international course. So once it gets approved, then you'll see on the website. Okay. So yes, renewal of MOU. I am also. Uh, I'm also following hard for this MOUs with the Central Council. It is in their direction. One thing I would like to tell all of is the understand the decision making points of the institute. What happens is that many students approach me because I'm approachable. They say that sir exam kab hua? मैं क्या बताऊँ उसमें? I'm not part of that committee. It's not in my domain. जैसे अभी आप example में आपको देता हूँ. Suppose there is some issue in GST. Whether you will go to the chief minister of any state. Even if you go, you will not, you will just say, okay, that's fair enough. And he will not be able to do anything because the authority to do make a decision is the GST council. तो आप वहाँ पे जाओ आपको कुछ हो सकता है, but you know getting the questions which perhaps are not relevant to me, in that case I generally I avoid to answer these questions because I am not the right authority. तो आपका जो भी इंस्टीट्यूट का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस है, अब एक चैप्टर का अगर कुछ इशू है तो आप चैप्टर पे ही वो एस्केलेट करो देन गोइंग टू द रीजन और सेंट्रल. हाँ ठीक है, देयर इज अ मैट्रिक्स नहीं होता है, देन यू कैन एस्केलेट दैट्स ओके. बट आप अगर वो चैप्टर का टॉपिक मुझे बताते हो तो आई नॉट बी एबल टू हेल्प यू ऑन दैट. या फिर चैप्टर का टॉपिक है कोई सेंट्रल कोर्स नहीं कर पाएगा. So you understand this structure and the rules and responsibilities. In fact, I will urge all of you just not to become a pass out, but you be active participant in the institute. I want all of you to attend the same CEP programs because they are free of cost. There is no cost to you. You are most welcome. All of you, I invite you to write the articles in WRC Bulletin, read the articles who are in WRC Bulletin. I want all of you to, even if somebody is interested, he can take a session in WRC. Now from tomorrow we are going to start a series for the qualified and experienced CMAs, and also two semi-qualified and some freshers. So I request all of you to join, and not only just join but also be active participants. We also need people. Institute is not the building what you see, but institute is the set of people. It's some days back I was also like you, isn't it? So I was just like I was you. I also want in some years you should be me. So I want all of you to have that ambition part of uh, this process and take this institute forward. It's all we who can do, changes. Whenever you want to see any change, first of all, you should change yourself. You should change your mindset, and everything is possible, friends. Yes, there are certain limitations. I will accept, but we will do our best to overcome it.
sir,
Yeah.
can I ask a question?
Please.
Sir, can you elaborate a little bit on actuarial science and how we can pursue it as a CMA?
Yeah, so you can just Google on the Actuarian. There is a Institute of Actuarians. So for that you can register yourself. I think it's a 3 years course. Okay, so the details would be available on the website. So that is also a very good course, especially those who are good in statistics. So math statistics किसी को पसंद है, for them it's a very good opportunity.
Hello.
Yeah.
So I have a question. I'm a graduate mechanical engineer. Now I've completed my CMA. So as you mentioned that Bajaj is one of the organizations who offer very good jobs or very good opportunities for CMAs with engineering background. So are there any other more organizations who offer?
So many. Every organization, in fact, they want techno-commercial person. I have just given the example. So you will see that the top CEOs, if you look at, they will have both. There are so many students Actually, you should call them as a student just because they are enrolled for our course, but they are senior people who have joined our course and they complete it. The reason of that is that yes, it's a requirement of the industry.
Okay. And for a fresher, what role can we expect in an organization?
Yeah, it should be flexible. You should be open to saying that, sir, whatever your role you want to give it to me, I will do it in best.
Okay.
डोंट बी
Okay.
रिस्ट्रिक्टेड कि यही करना है वही करना है. जितना आप रेस्ट्रिक्शन, सही रेस्ट्रिक्शन आप जितना खुद को करोगे उतना आपका ग्रोथ कम होगा. दैट्स द रीजन आई हैव इनकलकेटेड दैट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. आप फ्लेक्सिबल
Okay.
रहो, आप जो मुझे काम बोलोगे मैं करूंगा, ऐसा आप बोलोगे तो आपको कोई
Mhm.
कुछ बोल नहीं पाएगा. डोंट
Okay.
जस्ट से दैट नहीं मैं कॉस्टिंग का ही काम करूंगा, मैं टैक्स का काम नहीं करूंगा, या फिर मैं डेटा एंट्री का काम नहीं करूँ. क्यों नहीं करोगे आप? सब करते हैं, उसमें कोई अड़चन नहीं है ना.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
ठीक है, at later point of time you can switch over. आप ये करते हुए भी और कुछ कर सकते हो. You can tell the management कि मैं खुद से ये करना चाहता हूँ. Nobody will say no
Yes.
if it's a win-win.
Yes. Yes. Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I wanted to ask some questions, sir. As you have said about that investment banking and all, recently, means last year, on 9th October, Institute has an engagement session. Goldman Sachs, they have conducted an engagement session with the CMA students. Sir, are you aware about this so that I could ask question?
No, I'm not aware.
Achha. Okay, sir.
Yes, Abhishek has raised the hand. Abhishek Agarwal. Okay, anybody else want to ask any question?
Somebody
Good
drop.
afternoon, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yes, Himanshi.
Sir, first of all, I'm interested in investment banking, hedge management, and all. So, as a fresher, what I experienced is that companies asking for experienced candidates. So the institute is also conducting many courses like investment banking course and treasury management courses. So will it help such like the students or so to enter in the market?
So experience can come out of two ways, either training or practical experience. So I will suggest that not only just be limit yourself to training sessions, because these training sessions are a bit theoretical. So if you have got the opportunity to work with some of the investment banking firms or investment banking companies, so that can give you edge. So I will suggest to pursue it both ways. Also try to get a job or something, or opportunity in the investment banking, along with parallelly doing some things.
Okay,
Hello,
so thank you.
Yes.
hello.
Yes.
Yes, Abhishek.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
So as I see that many advanced studies courses has been listed on CMA website, then after completing CMA, what advanced course should we do?
You should do what you want. Okay, there are so many advanced courses. I think some days back,
What advanced course will be most beneficial
everything is
in today's market?
everything is beneficial. It is not that what is beneficial. I think some days back there was a DISA course which was being announced. So somebody is pursuing, जिसको benefit है वो करेगा ना. Suppose there was a course on Excel. I have not done it because I don't need it. Compulsory नहीं है. It's advanced course. Okay. तो आपको जो आपके जॉब प्रोफाइल या फिर आपके करियर में हेल्पफुल रहने वाला है वो कोर्स आप करो. There is nothing right. There is nothing wrong. ऐसा कोई बेस्ट ऐसा कोई नहीं है. There is no best. Otherwise सब बेस्ट ही करते थे ना, फिर बाकी कोर्सेज का क्या जरूरत है.
Yes, sir.
Somebody just dropped the question which I would like to just take that about the, he was saying that I am a crypto trader. Okay, क्या है opportunity है. So already आपने तो opportunity ले ली है. You are master in that. So उसमें भी है opportunities, the इसमें थोड़ा आपको समझना पड़ेगा. Just last month we had a very good Maharashtra state conclave, you must have seen. उसमें हमने एक सेशन लिखा था जिस पे क्रिप्टो करेंसी पे. इनफैक्ट मैं भी खुद मुझे पता नहीं था, लास्ट ईयर लॉकडाउन में कुछ काम नहीं था तो उस टाइम मैंने भी कुछ उसमें किया था, एंड आई मीन द सक्सेस वाज गुड. तो उसमें there is a lot of opportunity right from becoming a trader, investment, just like crypto is like an investment. Okay, only thing is that as of now that there is a hanging sword that कि ये legalize होगा या नहीं होगा. As of now तो ये सब चालू है and चल रहा है. तो you should be aware about क्या सिनेरियो बन रहा है, उसके हिसाब से आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्रिएट करनी होगी. Yeah, next.
I've been monitoring the news, but that is just to create.
I didn't get anything.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is just to create some sudden uncertainty among people to just grab those from investors.
I'm not able to understand. Pankaj, if you
Deepak,
can.
your voice is not audible.
Okay. Is it now audible?
Yeah, you can just type on this instead of that.
You can drop the message in chat. I think there is some network issue.
That's when like switch off my audio.
Yes, next, anybody?
Hello, sir. Hi, sir. Bunty here.
Yes.
Actually, sir, my question is that I was interviewing recently. Actually, problem is that the HR asked me, what is your expectation? How would I handle all these questions, sir? What is your expected salary and everything?
Expected salary, ये तो बड़ा difficult question है. लोग जॉब करते हैं 15 साल 20 साल, उनको भी अभी तक ये पता नहीं चलता एक्सपेक्टेड सैलरी. अपन तो मुझे कोई पूछेगा मेरा एक्सपेक्टेड सैलरी क्या है तो मैं तो बोलूंगा मेरे को तो 10 करोड़ चाहिए, ठीक है नहीं, बट वो देने भी चाहिए. सो इट हैज टू बी रियलिस्टिक, इट हैज टू बी. आपको ये भी जानना है कि मार्केट में ये जॉब प्रोफाइल के लिए कितना मिल रहा है. एज अ फ्रेशर आई विल ऑलवेज सजेस्ट दैट यू शुड गिव इट टू द मैनेजमेंट, क्योंकि आपको आज जॉब चाहिए है ना. तो आप मैनेजमेंट को बोलो कि सर आप जो भी दोगे मैं आशी खुशी कर लूंगा. ओके,
मैनेजमेंट
आफ्टर 1 year once I perform then I will ask you for the increment. उस टाइम आप मना मत करो if you have done my job in very effective manner.
Thank you,
sir. There is a question in our chat, sir. Sir, could you please guide career in audits and banks?
बैंक ऑडिट्स, यस, उसमें भी करियर है. जैसे मैंने कहा कि अभी जैसे बैंक ऑडिट्स रहती है तो उसमें देयर आर स्टॉक ऑडिट्स, देयर आर कंकरेंट ऑडिट्स, देयर आर इवन स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिट्स ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स. तो उसमें ऑफ कोर्स आवर प्रेजेंस वाज नॉट देयर सिंस लॉन्ग टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट अभी ये सब बिकॉज द एफर्ट्स व्हाट द पीपल आर टेकिंग, अभी उसमें स्कोप है. So there is a lot of banks who are empaneled the CMAs. मैं खुद भी कुछ बैंक्स के साथ अभी मतलब I don't do any audits as of now, but I'm doing IP work. तो वहाँ पे भी there is a good opportunity. तो बैंकिंग में of course जितना करो उतना कम है. There is a lot of things that we can do.
Sir, I had a query. Yeah, so nowadays wherever we are applying, we are seeing that there are opportunities for experienced candidates in CMA. They are not recruiting fresher CMA. So how can we get a opportunity to grab?
आपने practical training नहीं किया?
सर practical training तो अभी चल रहा है सर, but मैं अभी तो
ये बड़ा मिस्टेक सबका यही होता है which प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग नहीं लेते हैं. और
नहीं सर, प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग किया हुआ है सर, इंडियन ऑयल में मैंने काम किया है.
हाँ तो you can put as experience ना. That is
yes, I have, sir, I have applied everywhere. I have put everything, wherever I have worked in small firms, big firms. What I have mentioned every detail in my CV, but still now I am not getting any opportunity. I have applied in a lot of companies, but till now I have not even got an interview call for any of the companies. So
yeah, good. I'm telling you that this is the exactly I always say that कि a professional and successful professional, this is the gap. तो मैंने जैसे कहा आपको, तो आपको सबसे पहले यही करना है कि जहाँ पे भी आपने जॉब के अप्लाई किया, आप उसको एक बार पूछो ठीक है मैं सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ तो मुझ में क्या कमी है. ओके, तो आपको वो बोलेगा कि आपकी कमियां क्या है. मे बी एक्सपीरियंस, मे बी क्वालिफिकेशन, मे बी तो आप उसका एक लिस्ट बनाओ कि
sir, I have already said that I am ready to relocate anywhere wherever you say, but सर इंटरव्यू का कॉल ही नहीं आता तो मैं कैसे कुछ बात करूं. इंटरव्यू का कॉल है तो आगे बात करूं.
वही तो है, इसका मतलब है यू नीड टू शो योर रिज्यूमे टू समबडी कि इसमें क्या कमी है, where I'm going wrong, कि अगर मुझे experience है, qualification है, मुझे interview का call क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Interview का call आने के बाद if I fail, that is separate. But वो तो आना चाहिए. So that means that there is some shortcoming in your resume which you have to rectify as early as possible.
Sir, can I send you for that?
You send me, but I don't know when I will be able to respond. But you send me, I will try to do my best.
I'll send
I
you on
will
LinkedIn,
suggest
sir.
that there are so many agencies which actually do a waiting. Some people charge and some people also do out of this thing. And just like I am there, there are so many other senior cost accountants are there. आप उनका भी help ले सकते हो. I think some days back, 4-5 महीने पहले हमने LinkedIn पे ऐसा पोस्ट किया था. So there were 5-6 people who have ऑफर टू वॉलंटियर themselves कि हम ये बच्चों का हम सीवीज देखेंगे और उनको हम रिप्लाई देंगे. तो आप वो देख लो, इट कैन हेल्प यू. मुझे भी भेज सकते हैं.
ओके सर, मैं आपको
But I will not
LinkedIn में मैं आपको मैसेज कर दूंगा.
Yes.
सर whenever
और
you
ये
get
भी है,
time.
ये और एक चीज है यार, इतने बच्चे व्हाट्सएप पे रिज्यूमे भेजते हैं. आई डोंट नो कैसे वो व्हाट दे एक्सपेक्ट. कभी भी मत करो. रिज्यूमे यू शुड ऑलवेज सेंड ऑन द ईमेल. वो रिकॉर्ड पे रहता है. कभी भी आपको समटाइम ऐसा होता है कि कोई बच्चा मुझे अच्छा लगता है, आई मीन जस्ट आई एम गिविंग माय एग्जांपल, बट बाकी रिक्रूटर्स का भी वही होता है कि हम देखते हैं कि ओके उसको पार्क करके रखते हैं कि चलो कोई अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगा बताएंगे. व्हाट्सएप पे तो ढूंढना इम्पॉसिबल है. तो आई विल सजेस्ट दैट कि आप रिज्यूमे से कभी भी यू सेंड इट ऑन ईमेल्स. ओके, डोंट सेंड ऑन द व्हाट्सएप.
Can you please share your email ID, sir?
या वो लिखा था ना आपने, पढ़ा नहीं क्या?
वो सर वो उस समय नोट नहीं कर पाया क्या ना.
You can visit the website, WRC website on Google. You will
WRC
get.
वेबसाइट पे है, मेरे वेबसाइट पे है, सब जगह है. ठीक है, चलो मैं आपके लिए वापस शेयर करता हूँ. ये भी कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉब्लम है. मैं आज भी बच्चों को जब ये करता हूँ ना कि अगर आपका ईमेल एड्रेस क्या है, अरे एक मिनट की बात है, गूगल करो, यू विल फाइंड माय फॉर्म डिटेल्स, उस पे सब मिलेगा आपको. आपको वो चीज करना चाहिए ना. उसमें क्या, फाइंडिंग द कांटेक्ट डिटेल्स ऑफ एनीबॉडी इज नॉट अ ग्रेट डिफिकल्टी.
Thank you, sir. I have noted it.
ये भी एक सॉफ्ट स्किल है फ्रेंड्स, आई एम टेलिंग यू. अभी मुझे एक लॉट ऑफ पीपल क्या है बोलते हैं, सर वेयर इज योर ऑफिस. आप वेबसाइट पे देख लो, गूगल मैप्स पे डालोगे तो मेरा फोन का नाम तो आ जाएगा. तो व्हाई यू आर अननेसेसरी, यू नो, वो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें. एंड एज अ एम्प्लॉयर आई आल्सो सी दैट कि ये कितना सेल्फ इनिशिएटेड बंदा है. कोई खुद से इनिशिएटिव लेके कुछ करता है. दैट रियली गिव्स अ लॉट ऑफ कंफर्ट टू एनी एम्प्लॉयर.
Sir, एक चीज है, sir, one more thing I need to ask that I saw in YouTube a few months ago that there is a collaboration between CMA Institute India and CIMA London, that if we are a qualified CMA and if we have membership
तो
number, we
आपने
can
ऑलरेडी
apply.
क्वेश्चन ले चुके हैं अपने.
It is already answered. The MOU is under renewal. Once it gets renewed, we will come to know. And sir is
Okay,
also
okay.
following up with everybody. Yes,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
next question, if anybody has.
Any insight on upcoming campus placement, sir?
कैंपस ये सेंट्रलाइज हो रहा है. सो फ्रैंकली आई एम आल्सो क्यूरियस कि कौन कौन इसमें आ रहा है और क्या होने वाला है. The central this our headquarters is organizing that show clear. WRC करता था तो we were having bit insight. अभी उसमें से ज्यादा मालूमात नहीं है, but whatever I could say that there are already 5-6 company उन्होंने कर लिए हैं. And also we are trying to help by bringing more and more companies into the campus so that it can help our people.
Hello, sir. I have
Sir.
one question.
Yeah.
So how much salary we can expect in a CMA firm as a fresher, or let's say having 1 or 2 years of experience, but not a relevant experience, but having worked with the some BPOs or a good communication skill, but not having experience in costing or you may accounts. So how much salary we can expect from the firms, CMA firms?
How much salary you can expect? So if you ask me a question to any CMA firm, and the reason I'm going to a firm is that because I see a potential. My question to you is that why you want to go to a CMA firm? What is the objective?
Obviously, sir, the clear-cut objective is that to learn so many things. If you join any company, then you would definitely not learn that much as much as you can learn in a CMA
The
firm.
objective of joining firm is that you want to learn, and which you can start your own firm, or you can have in a partnership, isn't it? That's the objective. Okay. So in that case, if that is the objective, then you are I mean, if I would have been you, I would have said that I want nothing. ओके, मैं उनको भी बोल देता हूँ सर आपका जो व्हाटएवर सैलरी होगी वो आई टेक इट। ओके, इनिशियली आप जो भी बोलोगे मैं करूंगा, और मैं आगे का जो है आई विल मेक श्योर दैट आई हैव that much work I am doing it for you so that you can think of increasing the salary, because my objective is not to earn but my objective is to learn. तो एक बार मैं खुद आई एम टेलिंग यू, मैं क्वालिफाई होने के बाद मेरा भी ऐसा सिचुएशन था, सो आई वाज बीइंग पेड यू नो सम 2000-3000 रुपीस के बाद मुझे इंक्रीमेंट मिल के मोर का 4000 रुपीस मिल गया, बट एंड और उसके अगेंस्ट मुझे आई मीन 3 लाख का ऑफर था। तो मैं क्या करता था, the easier way which my friends, other friends have chosen is to go to the industry, but at the you know after 10-15 years that was the kind of they had some different thoughts in mind whereas I had a different, so it's not comparable. उसके लिए एक वो एग्जांपल पता है, वो चाइनीज बम्बू का एग्जांपल पता है आपको? चाइनीज बम्बू जैसा ही है, चाइनीज जिसको पता है आप दे कैन जस्ट रिकलेक्ट, चाइनीज बम्बू ऐसा है कि वो
yes,
आप
वो
डालोगे।
बहुत, yeah, I know the example and it we can connect this example with that, so yeah.
So it is like that. So this is my answer to all of you who always ask me a question, sir, which one is better, job or practice? So practice is like Chinese bamboo, अभी मैडम को पता है बट बाकी लोगों को पता नहीं, so I will tell you. एग्जांपल है कि चाइनीज बम्बू, एक बम्बू का साइज है वो बहुत बड़ा रहता है, it fetches very good value. तो somebody just उसका एक ही है कि आपको उसमें डालना है और उसको हर दिन पानी देना है। तो क्या होता है कि आप पहले स्टार्ट करते हो, उसका 5 साल का 5 साल के बाद यू विल गेट अ वेरी गुड रिटर्न, है ना। तो 5 साल तक क्या रहता है, हर दिन उसको पानी देना पड़ता है। तो क्या होता है कि पहले 1 साल हो गया आपने पानी दिया, तो कितना उसका ग्रोथ हुआ है, बराबर है। तो आप बोलोगे यार इसका अंकुर भी नहीं है, 1 साल पानी दिया, फिर और 1 साल आप बारिश में, सर्दी में, गर्मी में पानी देते जाओ, दूसरे साल में भी देखोगे आपको अंकुर नहीं है, फिर तीसरे साल जब आता है उसमें भी अंकुर नहीं आता है, तो एवरीबॉडी थिंक्स दैट कि अरे, देन पीपल विल स्टार्ट लाफिंग एट यू, अरे भैया तुमने क्या 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 ऐसा पौधा लगाया, आ ही नहीं रहा है, आप पानी दे रहे हो। पीपल विल स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग यू, दे विल बोलेगा कोई ये है ही नहीं ऐसी चीज, जैसे कोई बोलेगा आपको ये सब झूठ है, कोई आपको बोलेगा शायद ये मर गया है, आप उसको खोद के निकालो। एंड उसका ये है कि एक बार आपको आप उसको निकालोगे बीज को, वापस इट विल स्टार्ट एट 5 इयर्स वो चालू होता है। तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट आफ्टर 3 इयर्स 4 इयर्स वो कुछ भी नहीं होता है, 5th ईयर इट विल कम आउट एंड विद इन द 3 months टाइम इट रीचेस द हाइट ऑफ 90 feet, ऐसा है। सो प्रैक्टिस में ऐसा ही होता है, यू हैव टू जस्ट फीड द वाटर and wait. We don't know when it will get out, but when it will get out, it will be faster than anybody else. तो 5 साल के बाद आप देखोगे चाइनीज बाम्बू वो 90 feet है और बाकी के बाम्बू है वो 30 feet भी नहीं। तो that is how I will put it. What is better, job or practice? तो अभी दोनों ऑप्शन आपके पास है, you can choose to be a Chinese bamboo or some other type of bamboo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your answer.
Yes, last 2 questions now. Manish, please
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead. Yes.
Hello, Harsha sir. I'm Manish.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm in public limited company and in finance department.
Yeah.
तो सर रिसेंटली जीएसटी ने अमेंड किया कि ऑडिट इज नॉट कंपलसरी फॉर एनीवन। तो जस्ट आई एम कंफ्यूज दैट कि shall I go with the direct tax or indirect tax? Means मेरी कंपनी के CFO ने कहा कि मनीष what you have interested in direct tax or indirect tax, because I have good knowledge direct and indirect also. तो सर राइट नाउ आई एम कंफ्यूज कि साइन जो हमें ऑडिट करने का सिग्नेचर था जीएसटी में, तो नाउ जीएसटी डिपार्टमेंट हैज सेड दैट कि आप जीएसटी ऑडिट अभी कंपलसरी नहीं है।
ऑडिट नहीं है इसका मतलब बाकी काम नहीं हो रहे, ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसी ही ऑडिट गया है इसका मतलब अभी इतने सारे टैक्स कंसल्टेंट है उनके सब बंद हो गए क्या? द आंसर इज नो, बिकॉज उनका जो स्ट्रीम ऑफ बिजनेस है उसमें नॉट ओनली द ऑडिट बट उसके टैक्स कंप्लायंसेस है, उसके रिटर्न्स है, उसके रिकंसिलिएशंस है, उसके व्हाटएवर द थिंग्स आर देयर आर लिटिगेशंस, देयर आर असेसमेंट्स, तो उसके लिए भी यू नीड रिसोर्सेस। तो आज ऑडिट गया कल को वापस आ सकता है, परसों को वापस जा सकता है। द क्वेश्चन इज दैट कि आपकी कैपेबिलिटी क्या है और आप उसमें कितना डीप डाइव कर रहे हो। लिटिगेशन तो ऐसी चीज है, आई एम टेलिंग यू फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड ना, तो आप ये फॉर्चुनेटली वी हैव गॉट पावर्स टू अपीयर इन एनसीईआरटी, एनसीएलटी, In fact, last week also I had one very big case about NCLT, Appellate Tribunal जो है दिल्ली में. वैसे ही
Yes, sir.
SISTAT है.
Yes, sir.
There is a SISTAT, there is ITAT, wherein we have the opportunity to represent. But problem है कि अपने हम उधर तक जाते नहीं है. We are happy with the small things. तो ऐसा आप मत करो. Don't जैसे मैंने स्लाइड में पहले से ही कहा, you have to look at the opportunity what will be there in the future as on today. तो आपको ये खुद को सवाल करना है. मतलब आई एम जस्ट गाइडिंग फोर्स, बट सिंस यू आर इन द इंडस्ट्री यू शुड नो दैट कि इसमें आगे क्या होना है. आप यू टॉक टू द पीपल हु मैटर्स टू यू. जैसे कोई आपके आए क्या होगा और क्या मतलब what could be the bigger opportunities for me and perhaps they can guide you much better. ऐसे 5-6 लोगों से आप बात करोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि आगे क्या हो सकता है. बट उनका थॉट जो है वो थॉट्स को आप खुद भी एक बार इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करो कि whether it works for me or not.
Yes, actually कंपनी ने मुझे वही बोला कि आप
दोनों
जीएसटी में रहे, मतलब
my answer is that दोनों अच्छे हैं, दोनों करो.
हाँ, मतलब कंपनी उसने ऑफर्ड मी ओनली कि आप जीएसटी में रहना चाहते हो या इनकम टैक्स. दे हैव टू डिपार्टमेंट, जीएसटी एंड इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट. तो
आप उसमें से
जस्ट
आपको
आई एम
जो अच्छा
कंफ्यूज
लगता है
दैट
चूज
मैं
करो.
क्या. Okay, means we have a
See,
both.
I will not be able to answer this question because I don't know कि आपके लिए बेस्ट क्या है. But I can give
Okay,
you
sir.
guidelines कि आप इसका you can think of these questions and based on that you have to answer. See friends, अभी ये आप ऐसे स्टेज पे हो ना, there is nothing wrong and nothing right, है ना. आपके थॉट प्रोसेस है, आपको ये खुद से ही डिसीजन लेना है. There is nobody, there is no faculty, there is no seniors to whom you will say that क्या रे सर ने मुझे ऐसा बोला बट मेरा ऐसा हुआ. It is you yourself. आपको अभी खुद से आगे चलना है. You are a professional. आपको आपका दिमाग, पेरेंट्स का भी आपको कितना सुनना है कितना नहीं सुनना है वो भी आपको खुद को डिसाइड करना है. बट नाउ द थिंग्स आर वेरी डिफरेंट. यू आर प्रोफेशनल और बी ए प्रोफेशनल. थोड़ा सा यस टाइम लगेगा, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि रिजल्ट आ गया तो आप सडनली कुछ ऐसा ड्रास्टिक चेंज होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. बट ये these are the expectations from everybody around you, from you.
Yes, so last
Okay, sir.
question.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, we will take up last question as we are running short of time. I had promised sir 1 hour 30-minute session, so it is already exceeded. So last question, if anybody wants to ask, please go ahead.
संकेत भाई, मैं पूछूं?
हाँ गौरव, yes.
सर मेरे को ये पूछना है कि मुझे एसएपी में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, तो मैं उस चीज का क्या सर्टिफिकेशन ले सकता हूँ?
SAP के कोर्सेज रहते हैं that you can do. SAP के प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग्स रहते हैं. You can join the company wherein there is SAP. You can join the consultants who are doing the support services for SAP. तो उसमें आप जनरली SAP का ऐसा है कि instead of क्लासरूम टीचिंग, आपके कोर्स में भी SAP ट्रेनिंग है बट वो क्लासरूम टीचिंग से कुछ समझता नहीं है. मैंने खुद ने SAP का कोई कोर्स किया नहीं है. But I have done the 4 implementations. I am not practicing in SAP as of now because I have got some other opportunities which are bigger. So, but nevertheless, इसका experience जो है that is something which really makes a difference. So मेरा request है कि आप yes इसमें there is a good opportunities. आप relevant experience ले लो and you
सर मेरे
can.
पास एक्सपीरियंस है लेकिन मेरे को सर्टिफिकेशन चाहिए, तो क्या कैन यू सजेस्ट?
तो फिर SAP का है, Oracle है, so many people are there.
नहीं सर, कहाँ से मैं सर्टिफिकेशन ले सकता हूँ?
I
जेन्युइन
don't know
सर्टिफिकेशन.
much. I don't know much, frankly.
Okay sir, thank you.
So we will wrap up the session. Thank you, sir. We are grateful for the time, efforts you took to share your thoughts. Since we are entering a new growth phase on our campus, your comments were timely. I believe we can benefit immediately from the methods, suggestions you suggested. Your enthusiasm is contagious and we hope to use your suggestion in our future life. Thank you so much for your contribution and encouraging all the young CMS. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yes, bye bye. See you and take care.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Hello, sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please ask. संकेत ले सकते हैं ना अपन?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir, I have a question.
Yeah, हाँ बोलो ना.
Sir,
yes.
Sir, if an ACMA looking for doing PS, is there any easement for going training, that is articleship, internship, for doing CS? Any easement is there
नहीं मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आया
for
संकेत
an ACMA?
I don't understand the question.
So am I audible?
No, you are not clear.
So am I audible now?
हाँ बोलो. Yes.
So one question: if an ACMA looking for going to pursue CS, and is there
Yes.
any easement in doing
Is there are exemptions है
internship?
ना उसके exemptions है ना. There are rules by which you can get exemptions. You can avail that.
Also, is there any exemption practical training for
Yes.
CS?
Yes.
Oh, thank you, sir.
के वेबसाइट पे आप ये करो, they will give you the list of exemptions. उसमें practical training का भी अपने को exemptions है.
Okay, it is great. And then thank you, sir.
Yes.
One small question I wanted to ask. Hello. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, I have 1 year experience in costing, but suppose I apply for an accounts job, will I be considered an experienced candidate for accounts job or a fresher candidate?
Cost accounting में accounting आता है ना मैडम. Cost accounting includes accounting. So in fact it's extension. So first of all, जो बच्चे ऐसे भी है कि जो cost accounting करना चाहते हैं but जिनको accounting नहीं आता है, तो उनके लिए भी मेरा सजेशन है कि आप accounting सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. आपको accounting आना ही चाहिए.
Okay, sir. So will I be considered a fresher or experienced for accountant's job?
Depends upon company की वो कैसे आपको pursue करती है. और you can show your experience in such a manner that कि इसमें accounting cover हो जाएगा अगर आपने किया है तो.
अच्छा.
आपने किया ही नहीं है, then you know that's a different story.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Varnit, you want to tell anything?
So thank you so much, sir, for joining us and guiding us. And before you leave, we would like to have a commemorative photograph. So I request all the participants, please turn your screen on and we can make a victory sign. Yeah. So for the bright future, and let's click a beautiful photograph. Sanket, can you remove spotlight?
Yes. 1 second. Spotlight is removed, Varnit.
You can also take picture.
Yes, you take the screenshot and share.
Just wait. I'm not being able to do this. Can you please do?
Okay, 1 second.
You are still on spotlight.
1 second. 1 second, sir. One second. Yes, I'm taking screenshot. Okay. Yes, done.
Thank you, friends, and my best wishes to all of you. I want to see all of you as members of the institute soon and take this institute to the great levels. Perhaps you can be a better leader than me also. In fact, all of us, isn't it? So don't stop here. It's just the beginning. It's a beginning that should have a great journey ahead. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yeah,
thank you, everybody, for joining. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.